Hi guys, this is a very important video and very quick video because Microsoft is tracking your personal computer or your business computer, anything because of the different types of services and even this firewall that is providing a security to Windows 11 like Bitdefender or Windows Defender, even they are reporting to Microsoft. You won't believe it, let's start it. So let me show you some things, and after that we will secure our computer. We will block Microsoft completely so that they cannot access you. So first of all, you have to type Defender. Don't go onto the advanced settings, just you have to click onto the Windows Defender firewall. And let me show you something. After that, your mind will be shake and your thinking will be changed regarding the Microsoft. After that, you have to allow app or features. You have to click on that, and these are the services. These are passing through the Microsoft Defender firewall, and whatever is passing through the Windows Defender firewall, it is being reported or in the record of the Microsoft. So here are some data are very crucial because that are personal data and Microsoft should not track that. So let me show you something very important. So if you scroll down it, we have a couple of services. You can check all these services one by one. Even if you are doing the AnyDesk, someone is taking AnyDesk of your computer, it will also be recorded in the Microsoft firewall. So if you want to uncheck that, you can. So let me show you something very important, and after that your mind will be shook. So even Hyper-V is basically a service through which you can create a virtualization, or you can create your virtual VMs. Why we should report to Microsoft? So uncheck that. And after that, the very important service, let me show you Microsoft Edge. Why I should tell them what we are browsing. So you can uncheck that, but if you think that it is not important, you can keep check. After that, let me show you a very interesting thing. Go down, go down. Here you are. So you can see that email and accounts. Why Bitdefender is checking our emails? What is the reason behind that? So even our personal data is not secure. So you have to uncheck your emails. Maybe it is your private information, maybe it is a business information. So why we should scan through the Windows Defender? Email system, cPanels, and other email like Microsoft 365 and Google, they have their own security mechanism. So why Windows Defender should scan it? There is absolutely no reason. So you can uncheck it. You can also uncheck it. It is very priority. Get help, uncheck it. Get office, uncheck it. And Microsoft, if we Teams, why? Uncheck it. And after that, you have a lot of many services as well, like Microsoft Store. What we are downloading, it's on up to us. Why we report to Microsoft? So, and you can check it other services as well. Just I'm going to show you a demo that how you can do that. So you can go through all the list of services, and if you think it should not report to Microsoft, then uncheck it immediately. After that, you have to click OK, and once you click OK, then you have to go inside the services, and you have to navigate the service that is connected and user telemetry. So connected and user telemetry. So this is a very important service, and you can see that it is running. And if you check your computer right now, definitely you will get that your service is running at the moment. It basically track your Windows activity, and especially in when you get any bug, it will create a log and report to the Microsoft in order to make good user experience. But I don't think so. So it should be off on your computer, because nobody knows what the exact data they are sending to the Microsoft. We don't know. So just click on that, click on, double click on it. Make sure you have disable it, stop it, and then apply OK, and that's okay. Now you are completely safe, and your computer basically sending nothing to Microsoft, and you are completely safe. Your business data, your personal data, absolutely you are safe and sound. So now we are good to go, and now you can use your computer. Hit the bell icon, forward to family and friends. Stay safe. See you in the next video.